Get over here, Buck. My brother, and cry. How you doing? How you doing this evening?
What's up, man?
I just want to let you, I just want to tell you. I want to tell you something about. I want to tell you. Do you know Jesus?
Bro, yes, man. Yeah.
Do you know that the guy?
Me, man.
The guy sent down his only begotten son, so he can die on a cross for your sins. Do you want to be saved?
Man, you can have a dog.
I said, hey, brother, hey, you can't run. You can't run from the Lord forever. He will get his vengeance.